Oh boy. Um, I don't think anyone's gonna be watching the VOD except me. Um, but this can be completely live production. I've not streamed in a long time. Oh god, that looks terrible. I'm gonna watch my own stream real quick. Um, I'm gonna get my um get my AirPods and listen on my laptop to make sure it's all sounding good. And then I'll actually start doing whatever I need to do. Cause today I'm gonna be updating the Minecraft server. I'm just like casually streaming on this channel after not using this channel for like 5 years. It's actually been 5 years. Okay, wait. Let me get my AirPods. Just listen to this on my. Okay, I think that sounds good. It does not sound bad. So we are big chilling. Okay. Um. Man, I don't really got an objective here. I had to make sure everything was set up correctly because I've not streamed on YouTube in a long time. Oh, I guess I'll pull up Discord and yeah, like I said, I guess the objective is kind of to just upgrade the Minecraft server. Oh god, my stream is showing on my Discord. I don't know if I want that. My stream's bitrate's lower than the recommended bitrate. Oh boy. My internet's dying. No. Oh yeah, yeah. I don't know if it's okay still, but I am using AV1 encoding. So hopefully it all looks good and well and everything. Because I have an Intel Arc card. This is the first time I've actually been able to use AV1 on the graphics card itself. And it's working. It's actually doing what it's supposed to do. Okay. Feeling some lo-fi beats. Oh yeah. There you go. Okay, the objective today is basically just porting over configs. I did most of the actual coding already. Um, so in that category, I already have kind of everything done. I just need to work on configs, get some stuff finalized because I will be setting the new update live on the server. Speaking of that, I will I will be probably putting the update live on the server soon, but it's not quite ready. It's a couple things, and actually, what I'm gonna do before I for real get started is first off turn that volume down. The sheep's going crazy in the background. And then I'll probably just... I'm gonna add everyone in the old server Discord. Because I think that would be funny. So... at news. At everyone. And then there you go. 300 plus people. I got so much power on my fingertips. Does that even work? It's not embedding. Oh, whatever. Okay, yes. I'm gonna close out of that. Okay, so I do have most of the stuff done, like I said. I'm actually not gonna do that much coding. I just have to do some bug testing. There's also a couple public plugins that just aren't ready yet. I gotta find out why Campfire doesn't work. That's one of my custom ones. Now I'm a little concerned. Let's see here. Oh, it requires premium vanish. Yeah, okay. I'm not getting premium vanish anytime soon, because that one is a premium plugin. Okay, I'm gonna have to just worry about that one later, I think. Jesus Christ. I probably just awoke a bunch of skeletons by pinging everybody there. I feel kind of bad because I have not used this channel in 5 years, and then I just come back and at everyone. Just after 5 years, like nothing happened. But I do want to use this channel a little bit more. I am planning to upload some more tutorial videos at some point. Rip Vanish? Yeah. Rip Vanish. No more Vanish. I probably still have like a crappy version of Vanish, but it's not the good Vanish, which is fine. And this needs to be updated. I'm getting really close. I've been working on this project, on this update, for at least a week now, it feels like. It's been so long. It's only a couple things to be done, and then we are done. Look at that, I just fixed another red thing. One less red thing to worry about. Let's go. I guess I'll just try to squash all these red broken plugins right now. Most of the stuff is just like stuff I need to download. Yeah, I feel like this isn't updated yet though. Oh brother. Tech Toolbox is better than Kita chips? Is it? I suppose so. I don't know. At some point when I like stopped uploading to this specific channel, because now I had like another YouTube channel, and I was gonna focus on like just gaming content. Like I think I just did Bed Wars pretty much, but that's why I like tried to split up the two, and then eventually Kita chips became my main account. Okay, this plugin's not updated, but they like somewhat updated it, so I'm gonna try to compile it from source code, and then maybe it'll just work. That's the hope here. What does this use? Uses Gradle. Okay. Alright, that's another red thing that soon will be fixed. The other red thing I think I can just download. Inventory Rollback Plus. Gotta have it in case somebody falls in the void. Wants their items back. Very important, very important. We be big rolling back. Spawn and Spleef. Those two are my plugins. And they're broken, so let's find out what's wrong with Spawn first. Spawn has a config error. Oh, okay. For that, I'm just gonna go and copy the config from the main server, and then I think it'll work if all goes well. You can see I changed the config a couple times. We got the config old underscore format, we got the config new format, and then we got the real new format, which is the config here. What's new in 126? In like the 0.6 update, there's basically nothing. It was like a bug fix, but they released it like a day after 1.20.5. And there's armadillos. Actually, I'll show you, I guess. Some cool stuff. First off, you can scale entities now. So you got the mini sheep here. I made an item yesterday, last night. It's called the gnome slippers. So I can put them on and I can just be extra small. So that I'm excited about. This is one of the epic features. You can fit in small little gaps that you normally can't. And when you sprint, the particles are like as big as your character. But that's like kind of just a goofy little addition. They also added armadillos, like the mob armadillo. That's not an armadillo. I think I broke the pets plugin. But they added colored wolves as well. You can see this is one of the new wolf variants. I think there's like a couple, probably like 5, 6. Do you fit through windows? The windows. Which windows? Oh, through like the door windows? Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'll show you what the armadillo looks like in a sec. I was messing with the pets plugin because I was coding in the armadillo functionality and I accidentally made it a cow and not an armadillo. Let me try. I don't think you can. I don't think it's actually a gap. I think it's just like a empty texture. Unfortunately, but that would be kind of sick if you could. But I want to add like this item that you can obtain, the boots. It'll be like super rare or something, but you can troll people with it. That's the idea, at least. You can like teleport to people's bases. Okay, I can show you what an armadillo looks like, I guess. I don't have to make a pet of it, I can just spawn it. But they're like little guys. And they get scared if you like sprint next to them. They ball up in their little shell. And then they peek out for safety. And if it's all clear, they go back to doing their thing. And you can brush them for their scutes, and then you can make you can brush them for their scutes, and then you can use these to make wolf armor. And then wolf armor goes on your new wolves. Oh, that one does not. Oh, yeah. I gotta add wolf armor support to the pets plugin, but if I just summon a dog or a wolf, I can put it on there. Look at that. And now this guy won't take damage until the armor breaks, which is so epic. Brush. Dude, Brick, hello. What's good? What's poppin'? You want some gnome slippers when I release the update? I'll give you a free pair. I feel like you'd appreciate these. Okay. Yeah, I gotta make like a little to-do list of things I gotta do, because I also just found out that I forgot to add wolf armor support to the pets dogs. So this dude bro isn't gonna be able to wear armor for now. Not for you. What's your username? In game. Kayajin. Yeah, I can speak English. Dude, Canada, what's good? Dude, everyone's here. It's a party out here in the Tech Toolbox live stream. That's crazy. Oh, okay. I was planning to actually update the server today, like do the update, but then I realized there's a bunch of stuff that I still have to finish. So I'm just kind of running through all the little nitty gritty, and I felt like streaming it because I want to revive this channel in specific at some point. Oh god. Because I want to start making more tutorial videos, so. Wait, that's you, Niz? What? What? Oh my god. How did I not realize that from the first message you sent? What? Oh my god. I'm so smart. So smart. Okay. Alright, we fixed spawn. Now why is Spleef broken? Spleef is broken because I forgot to update it. Yeah, that's probably... That'll probably do it. If I update it, probably work. Look at that, I updated it and it works now. That is insane technology. There you go. We can play Spleef now. Alright. I had this compiling in the background. Did it work? No. It is still going. Cool. That's been going for a while. Bro for gore. You are so right. I be for goring a lot, unfortunately. I got a lot to remember. And not a lot of brain space. Spawn/spawn works now? Yo, it's coming together. Almost got a playable server. Auction NPC guy is not here, but that's okay. He's on vacation. These guys are also on vacation. They'll come back eventually. This is the Easter spawn. I just realized. Just still got the Easter on the dev server. Oh, that's another thing I gotta change. Wolves have 40 health points now. I'm slacking on my updates. I need to update the pets plugin too. This pets plugin is on life support. I've been like slowly trying to update the code for this because the original author abandoned it and it's bad. It's bad. Haley, what the frick? Hi Haley. What's up? Everybody's here. I didn't realize when I would stream to this, like on this YouTube channel, that it would show on my Discord status. And then I like toggled it off and then it's still showing. So now I'm being exposed. Dude, Jared, hello. Hi Curly. Hi everybody. What's good? What's happening? Dude, I feel so supported right now. Everybody's here. This is crazy. I sound quiet? Do I actually sound quiet? Should I raise my volume? Someone else let me know if I'm quiet. I'm also not talking super loud, but hi iGel. Sally Gel. I love you guys. I love you guys. I am quiet. Am I actually quiet? Oh no. Oh no. Man. I hate to say this, but I'm already like pretty okay. Wait, I got this. I'm advanced. Can I go over? Wait. Plus 10 gain? Alright. This is a little bit loud, I'm sure. I don't know how loud that is. It's probably not. Oh god. I don't know how loud that is. I don't have a producer. I need a little producer, you know? Is it still quiet? I put it on 10. I think that's the max I could go. No, I can go more. Okay. 17. Is that good? Are we good? Hi, Mancy. Facecam auto-tune filter. Okay, wait. I'm gonna get my AirPods on my laptop, and I'm just gonna listen to myself real quick. Oh my god. Let's see here. You're gonna hear like... Okay, wait. Oh my god. We gotta see how high this goes. 26, apparently. Cool. Very cool. You can hear the air particles leaving my throat. That's the goal. We gotta have the full ASMR. I can't type 30. It won't let me type 30. I can go to 26. God, that's so loud. I got a lot of stream delay, by the way. So I only just heard myself. Oh god. I set it to normal stream delay. I could probably put it to less. I just set it to low so in case I doxed myself, I can like end the stream before anything bad happens. Oh, I can't change the latency now. Well, that sucks. Sorry guys. Just so you know, it's probably like at least 30 seconds delayed from when you actually say something. Put it to max. Oh my god. I'm just seeing this red bar here. Clipping. Oh man. Beautiful. Alright. Try like 20. Is that a serious suggestion? Is Mancy being like actually helpful? It's still clipping though. Wait, I got this. 15. That's like almost clipping. Yeah, that's it's leaked stream key. Did I leak stream key? No, I'm good. If I did leak it, don't stream anything bad to my YouTube channel, please. 20's good. Okay, I'm just gonna trust you on that one, cause like I said, don't got a producer. Okay. All right, we're good. Also, I'm surprised I can stream ultra wide onto YouTube. There's a truck outside my window. $15 to $20. All right. How about I do 17? Oh frick. All right, cool. We're good. 17. You'll stream copywritten content? All right, Brick. Go ahead, I guess. You can do it. I'll let you. I'll let you do it. Dude, this is almost compiled? Oh, frick, it failed. I want to just worry about... Oh, I don't know. I'll just worry about that later. Oh my god. My mother streams ultra wide every night. Yup. Yup. Bet she does. Anyways, wait. I think if I remove this line, it'll just fix the pet health. That's my best guess. And then I gotta add wolf armor support. What else can you put armor on? Like a horse? Protect. Wait. Is wet. Is wet. And shaking. Yep. Yep. Pets. Dogs do that. Yep. So basically, armor can go on armor stand. Do I add an armor stand pet? Is that what I should do? Horse armor. I gotta figure out how this works. Armor. Is armor. This isn't even used. Cool. This is just a relic of the past. Can I even... Wait. I feel like I might have broken the pets plugin and removed horse armor actually being a thing. Yes, yeah, okay. Alright, we're adding an armor stand pet. Once my game decides to load. Is that a thing you can do right now? Pet admin create Gita chips armor stand. No. Okay, cool. Alright, we're going on a side quest. Just for Brick. Cause you know, it's not every day Brick's alive. You never know when he's gonna disappear for another month, so while he's here I might as well do something fun. Let's see here. Make living sound. What kind of living sound does an armor stand make? That's a good question. What kind of step sound does an armor stand make? How do you make an armor stand sit? Sitting armor stand. Guys, we got the my armor stand. What food does an armor stand like? Anvil smash. Oh Jesus Christ. Okay, wait. Yeah, you're right. Play sound. Let's see. Ambient cave. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm feeling that one. That's a living sound right there. That's what I'd classify as living. It likes to eat armor. You're so right. There's a lot of types of armor though. And the way this plugin works is you have to type every one of them manually in here. So I'm just gonna keep it at leather. Leather boots. Leather chest plate. How about that? Yeah. Sounds good. Wait, that's armadillo. Wait, no. Okay. Perfect. And it's a my pet baby because you can make it a baby armor stand. So we're adding all the features known to man into this. And then I gotta make a my armadillo. No. Perfect. My armor stand. Perfect. We're gonna have an armor stand pet in no time. Armadillo. Alphabetical order. Cool. Armor stand was added in Minecraft 1.20.5, by the way. Oh, apparently Armadillo uses the camel base. I probably should fix that. Yep. Because apparently an armor stand is also a camel. Cool. Got that. We're so close to being able to do this. Oh, I need a spawn egg for an armor stand. because that's a thing. There's an egg service in this. Egg icon service, and I gotta add the armor stand egg into it. So, what do you spawn an armor stand with? Gaming on GTX 650 Part 2. Yeah, man, I got 10 new benchmarks for that one coming up. I got it hot and ready. Almost ready with that video. Just gotta finish the CGI in there, and then we'll be all set. Dude, I'm at 4K subs when I'm gonna. I don't know, man. You know, it's been tough getting sponsorships. Honestly, it's been a bit dry ever since I haven't uploaded in 5 years. Yeah. Soon though. Just you mark my word, I'm gonna be reviewing Lamborghinis in no time. Do you want me to make a PNG for it? Yes, Brick. I'm so down for that if you want to. I'm gonna put something temporary for now, but that would I'm so down for that. Oh man. I'm just imagining how cursed that's gonna be. And actually, yeah. Yep. And then I gotta add the my attribute defaults. I don't know why this. Wait. Armor stand's already in here. It's just not a pet type you can get. Is Shulker in here? No, it's not. What the hell? Okay, well that's fine. I guess that part's done for me already. Alright, baby armor stand, set baby. I'm gonna add the armor feature afterwards. Get living sound, get hurt sound. I think armor stand has a hurt sound anyway, so. Armor stand, hit. Dude, I got 10 viewers? And I got 2 likes? Yo! Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. I'm glad you guys are enjoying this this stream. It means a lot that you guys are all here. I don't have to just talk to myself, you know. It's kind of cool when I don't have to just. Yeah. Oh, I didn't check my Discord. Please VC? Okay. Okay, I'm doing it. Oh, it's gonna kill my internet.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Hello.
Kita!
It's him.
It's Kita!
Oh
It's
no,
me.
Madcap! The water was turned into sand.
What's
Are you
up?
fucking kidding me?
No.
How are you?
Good, chilling, doing
There's
great.
no delay.
Should we just?
Oh yeah, that's true.
I have a sand potion.
They're
I'm gonna
playing
die.
other games. I'm just watching you.
This is bad.
I'm literally gonna eat this.
Oh god, there's too much happening. Okay.
I ate half of
Maybe I shouldn't have joined.
feel fine.
No. What's up, bud?
They're not even talking to you. They don't appreciate you, Kita.
I know.
Okay, there was a fucking eyeless dog, and I got I got killed.
What's
I
that even
appreciate
mean?
you, people.
I appreciate you
There's a fire exit
too.
over to the left, actually, on that place. It's a house, and it's.
You guys are
next to-
playing Lethal Company.
Yeah, you should
Yeah.
play. Please.
I'm busy.
I said I appreciate you.
I am busy right now. I am.
Wait, you're streaming or coding or something?
Yeah,
I appreciate you.
I'm coding. I appreciate you too, bro.
I want your children. Love me, please.
Oh,
No.
Yeah,
All right,
Please,
get
please,
this guy out of the chat.
Please.
we're
Oh,
not making it
sorry.
out the hood on this one.
Oh,
I got 7 health, no water.
this
Yo.
is great.
get 'em
Covered in
out of
poison.
here.
I'm gonna
Covered in poison.
move or leave. I don't know.
Okay. I love you.
I'm
Love you too.
You're a cool guy, man.
That's so cute.
You're the best of us.
You're so cool too.
What are the
Wow,
odds of
that's
fungal
You guys are all the coolest.
water into sand?
You're the coolest.
No,
Double check, but you weren't holding a water flask, were you?
Nope.
Oof. Wait. This user's clock is 2 seconds ahead. Bro. Dude's exposing me out here. Dude's gonna like triangulate my location based on my clock and then like show up outside my house with a pizza box. Alright. Dude, I got 5 likes on the stream! This is crazy. This is truly insane. I think, okay, wait. I think I implemented everything I need for this armor stand pet to work. I believe so. The only thing that's not going to work is the language files, so it's going to say like pet.armadillo.armorstand.name. That's what it's going to say instead of armor stand, but should be fine. Oh yeah, guys, you know, while you guys are all here, you know, I'd like to tell you about my sponsor, and I'd like to remind you to smash that like button. We're sponsored by, anyway, do you see the Northern Lights? I didn't, well, I saw the pictures of them in Discord. I didn't see them, but these are insane, honestly. Tech isn't north of the equator. Yeah. Didn't see. Sponsored by Red Bull and Grey Goose. You're so right. I'll take a Red Bull sponsorship though, like happily. I don't know about Grey Goose, but Red Bull for sure. Just like, yeah. We gotta get Formula Zero, the boat racing event in Minecraft. We gotta get that sponsored by Red Bull, I'm telling you. Because, like, it's like racing, and Red Bull loves, like, racing. And it's in Minecraft, and it's like, it's sports, you know, it's like, it's esports, but it's like sports. So it's like, you know, perfect. And, you know, nobody understands me, but this is like the best idea ever. Just gotta email Red Bull one of these days, you know. I'm sure it'll work out. Yeah, send me pics, Canada. I want to see. I must see. There's a big brain convo, dude. Yeah. We got the big money ideas. How's the weather in Somalia? Oh, it's okay, man. It's, you know, honestly, not much to complain about. Not much to complain about. We're chilling. Not really chilling, but we're existing. Harvesting the power of water to power my brain cells. Dude, Flistrat's online, bro. That guy hasn't been around in forever. Okay, I made armor stand. Oh, it didn't spawn. Where is it? Wait, a wolf. Oh, I have to switch to it. Duh. Oh, shit. No enum constant. My pet class dot armor stand. Okay. Okay, that's not good. I did something wrong. My pet class. What is that in? My pet class dot value of in my pet manager. My pet's class. Isn't it supposed to be entity my pet type? You sent me the armor stand egg? Oh boy. Oh my god. What the hell? I didn't expect a lot, but it's much worse than I expected. Oh my god. Perfect, thank you. I'll be adding this to the resource pack. We'll be having this as an official feature. Oh my god. Okay. I'll keep that open for later. That's a potato. What the frick do you mean? I don't mean anything. I'm saying it's like the best thing I've ever seen, and I really appreciate it. God, don't have to get so defensive. No, it's epic. I don't understand why my armor stand pet class error is erroring. Oh. Wait, that's why. Duh. If I read the error, maybe I would know what I was doing. Okay. Perfect. Armor stand's gonna work now. Thank you, Brick. I appreciate your artistry. You know, I was thinking about it yesterday. Like, it's kind of insane how you put all of your time into learning Paint.net, and you're like the god of Paint.net. Like, it's actually impressive. I don't know. I don't know why I thought about that yesterday, but just wanted to let you know. I appreciate your artistry. Your creative talent in Paint.net and in general. Alright, we about to have some armor stand pets going up in here. As soon as the server starts. I gotta like automate this process so like I can test stuff without having to manually drag it in all the time. I feel like that would probably save me some time. You put your skills to the test with the egg. I know. I realized. I see the yeah, anyway, it's a pretty cool texture. I appreciate it. Oh brother. Entity my armor stand is no valid my pet entity. Okay. Yeah, I need to set up a CI pipeline. That's what I need to do. Yeah. You're so right. Oh my god. I want to set up like a dev environment where you can... Okay, I have this plugin open here, right? So basically my plugins, they require access to databases. So I was going to add this so that if you wanted to run everything in your dev environment, you could just click this run button. It would start up the database automatically. It would connect to the database automatically. It'd set up a dev server for you in your IDE so you don't have to like use an external development server. And then you can hot swap code when you're writing it. So it would be super fast and efficient, but I just haven't gotten around to it. But I'll get to it. I will get to it. Why is there no... Why is there no valid my pet entity? What do you mean? see my armor stand. Wait. What did I do wrong here? My armadillo. Duh. I think that's my mistake. I don't know though. I'm actually not sure. Is there any more no. I'm gonna try this, and if it doesn't work, we'll figure it out. Scalable code base? Yes, dude. We're about to have the most insane code base of any Minecraft server. Hypixel stands no chance. I wonder when Hypixel is gonna like update from 1.8. I think they have one game mode that's in 1.14. Like a 1.14 version of Build Battle, but nothing newer than that. Where's Kotlin? There's a lot of Kotlin in this. Just not in this project, because this isn't actually my plugin. I'm just modifying it. But if you want to see Kotlin, I got a lot of Kotlin in this. This is actually the main plugin code base. We got a lot of Kotlin. As you can see, the proof is in the numbers. We got the 705 Kotlin files. Okay. Let's see if the pet works. Yeah, Gino did help me. I basically like, I think this might be my like second year of learning Kotlin. But I'd say I'm okay at it now. Oh brother. Something prevents name.armor stand from coming to you. I wonder what that is. What did I do for armadillo? Let's triple check here. Put fast. Put a fast. Oh, you know what? It's probably this. I think I deleted this accidentally. My armor stand. Whoopsies. No, I did that fine. Huh. Hypixel's never gonna update until Minecraft goes back to old PvP. Yeah, I mean, it kind of doesn't make sense for them to, I guess. Like, at least for the PvP game modes. But, like, for everything else, well, I mean, I don't know. They should update Build Battle to the new blocks. They're stuck in, like, 1.14. I gotta figure out why this is throwing this error. This is the boring part, the debugging part. Got that. Hi, hello Isaiah, what's up? What's good? Long time no see. It's been forever. Gonna have to think about this here. I wonder where I like broke it, because I coded in armadillos the exact same way I just did armor stands, and I never actually had this error. The annoying part about this plugin specifically is that things are defined like about 4 times throughout the code base for like one entity when it could realistically be all in one place. So you have to add like, if I want to add one entity, I gotta go through like a bunch of files and make sure the variables are all in there and be super careful there. So might have to put the armor stand on the back burner for a little bit. Yeah, I'll get back to that. I'm sure I'll fix it. I do want to double check on this though. Yeah, allays can hold items. I'm gonna go back real quick to the wolf armor before I forget. I gotta implement the equipment for wolf armor, which I can do here. I'll basically copy. No, not that one. Get equipment, get display slot for item. Perfect. Yeah. Alright, where do they store their armor? What equipment slot are we looking at? Crackiness. Crackiness.wolfarmor.buy-damage. Crackiness. Golem and wolf armor. Wow. And you got the 4 levels of crackiness. I think I'm about a medium on the crackiness scale right now. Alright. Do hurt, apply, mob interact. There it is. This is where if you right click a wolf, it puts the armor on. Set body armor item. Set body armor item uses the body equipment slot. Well, look at that. That is crazy. Would never have known that. Perfect. Get display slot for item. Crackiness. You're so right about that. So right about that. So true. Shoot. This is not made, this method is not made for this. This is for like if you're giving your pet like a sword. This isn't meant for armor. So I'm gonna do something silly. And I'm gonna implement it manually without the help from this. Big guy? Dude, big guy. I don't remember who you are, big guy. At least not by the YouTube name. But what's up? What's good? I'm just I mean, I guess you clicked on the stream. I'm just coding Minecraft stuff. Going through some really scuffed code for like a pets plugin. So I'm adding wolf armor support. I gotta like rewrite all of this garbage here. Oh, you commented? Dude, thank you so much. I really appreciated that comment. Good to see you in the stream. I'm trying to come back to this YouTube channel after like 5 years of not doing anything. I was gonna try to record a video, but I need to get back in the video mindset. So I just decided to stream this instead, even though it's a little bit uneventful. Okay. Okay, so the 2 things you can do to a wolf, you can dye it, and you can put wolf armor on, and you can shear it. So I gotta rewrite this entire thing, because this is meant for an older version of the game, and dude, he's holding a music disc. yeah, they changed what things you can do with the wolf, I guess. So I will make this guy sit, and then I'm gonna add wolf armor support first, and then I'll re-add the dying support afterwards. Perfect. So if item stack, I'm gonna rename it to stack. Alright, so first off, if item is armor, put it on. If shearing, remove armor. And then if dye, re-dye the collar. Otherwise ignore. That's how the interaction is going to go. Dude. You learned making Discord bots from me? Let's go. I'm glad I could be I'm glad I could help. I want to go back to Discord bot tutorials and do like a proper updated version. Cuz when I first made those videos, I didn't actually know people would like watch them. Like, I think the first one got like 100k views or something. Something crazy like that. Which is like, yeah, it's insane. But yeah, I haven't worked on Discord bots literally since I stopped making YouTube videos. So I've been trying to just kind of get caught up with everything else. I've been just coding Minecraft stuff, pretty much. Been learning Kotlin, getting better at Java, because I was really bad at Java when I made those videos. And working on a Minecraft server, so still staying busy, I guess. Okay, so if the wolf armor... So if the player is right-clicking wolf armor and the wolf does not have armor on already, what's up, Canada? Welcome back. Isn't the one iconic tech fail video with that if statement? Yeah, Gino keeps trolling me about the if statement. I think it was like if args.length is greater than 1 and args.length is less than 3, which is what I did in the video. I don't know why. Which, yeah, I don't know why I did it the long way, but that was a bit. Gotta make sure the args is somehow not 2.5. What do I do for a living? Right now I do electronics repair, like phone repair and stuff like that. I used to do for a little while, I did development. I coded for another Minecraft network. It was actually called Space Delta, but they ended up shutting down. I actually quit before they shut down, but I really enjoyed that project too. I've just been doing a lot of Minecraft stuff in between. I coded like this casino thing. They had like a giant casino map built, and then I made like casino games, cause you know, gambling or something like that. It was all in-game money gambling, but still. Dude, that is so loud. I made like a roulette table with a slime that went around, and then I also did a crash game with like a bunch of maps. So it was like a wall, and then this is all map arts, and then I basically converted them into like a giant display, and then rendered like an image on top of all of them. So that was a fun project. So yeah, I don't know why I went into all that detail. I just think back to it. It was fun to work on all those big projects. Can I do has equipment? No, equipment. Actually, get slot. Get equipment slot. Get equipment probably. What the hell? Wait. What am I doing here? Dude, some of this code here is so bad. I'm rewriting this plugin. It's called MyPet. Some other guy made it, but there's a lot of just like code where it's just like copy pasted from one class to another. And it's all just like if you want to rewrite one piece of it, you got to go in every single file and rewrite the entire block. Do I know C++? Yeah, not really. I'd like to say I do, but I only did C++ for a short time. So, yeah, there's that. Okay, wait, I gotta figure out how equipment's handled. Hand drop chances, equipment. Oh, jeez. If you equip, it does equip, which does this equip, which set item slot. Get item by slot. There you go. That's what I was looking for. Get item by slot. That dev has never heard of inheritance? Yeah. They literally haven't. I mean, that's like... I can't say much. I used to code like that all the time, too. But yeah. I'm like slowly rewriting it because... yeah, I just want to clean up the code base, and I'm working on it myself because it's like mostly abandoned. Dude, you have to leave soon, but so there's no pressure on your armor stand pet? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna go back to that real quick and try to figure out what's wrong with it. Just real quick. I was working on something else. I'm gonna be completely honest. I took a tangent to work on the wolf issue. Here, I'll add a to-do so I don't forget. Right, what was I doing? Armor stand pet, right. It was not working because of this stupid error. And I don't know what that error is. Entity registry. I'm gonna look at it one more time. Create Minecraft. Entity. Oh, you didn't mean it like that? Okay, I'm sorry. I thought you were being like, yeah. You'll be, no, not in a month. You gotta come back. You gotta come back for the armor stand pet at least. At least for the armor stand pet. It's important. I'll let you know when it's out if you'd like. If you would like, I suppose. Entity my armor stand. I'm gonna log this when the thing's starting up. Hopefully I can see why it's not loading the armor stands. Okay, thank you, Brick. Thank you. Appreciate it. See ya. Have a good one. Don't disappear for a month, please. Thanks. Dude. Alright. Watch the second brick leaves, I get the armor stand pet working. That would suck. A little confused why it's not doing it, but I think what's happening here is like the weird way it's doing the prefixes. Type.name. Wait. I feel like that's gonna be wrong. Anyway, we'll see. I'll have to see what it prints out for the actual class name in the console. Don't worry about those errors, they're fine. Okay. Entity, armor stand should theoretically be one of the armadillo, my armor stand. Did I misspell armor stand or something? Entity, my armor stand. Right? I'm gonna just refactor, rename it just for sanity checking. No, it's the same. That should be fine, right? Entity my armor stand. That exists, it's right here. Right? Where is it? Where did I put it? Yeah, it's right there. But it just doesn't work. I'm so confused right now. What's the error? A legal argument exception. Oh, I'm being stupid. I'm reading this, but the actual exception's down here. Follow range. Attribute generic dot follow range? That's not in here. Can't find attribute. Is that like a... wait. Oh. Oops. Okay, so it's trying to put follow range on an armor stand. Which I don't think is possible because an armor stand is not a mob. Because every pet technically in this is its own custom entity, but it extends mob. But armor stand in Minecraft is not a mob. It's... what is it? It's just an entity? Living entity, I think. Which is one step below a mob, because mob extends living entity. So that kind of sucks balls. So I think what needs to happen is the attribute defaults create living defaults. Movement speed, armor toughness, that's fine. Tech, how do you donate? So you can't. If I didn't quit YouTube on this channel for 5 years, I would still have a monetized YouTube channel, but I don't. So I don't have channel memberships or anything. So you can't, I guess. Unfortunately. Unless you want to like buy yourself something for the on the Minecraft server, you can always do that. You'll get something back for it too. You'll get some cool something. I gotta figure out where it's doing the follow range then. Where is it adding follow range to my armor stand? It's probably in here actually. Follow. Wait. Attributes, get attributes. Oh, my attribute defaults, that's that. Attribute map. See, but that's not right. Because why would it give it follow range? And no, navigation, that's what it is. Okay, wait, I can fix this. Are you gonna stream on Twitch and YouTube? I don't know about that. I think my plan is right now, if I want to stream on Twitch, it's gonna be for my like quote unquote Keto Chips thing, my Keto Chips channel. Because I think I want to keep this Tech Toolbox channel separate. This is going to be all for just the coding stuff. And then the Keto Chips is like for all the random other stuff. Like games and whatever else if I want to make that content again. The reason I wanted to live stream today is just because I wanted to get my watch time up on this channel so I can re-enable monetization eventually. Because I have the criteria to monetize this YouTube channel, but just because I didn't upload in so long, they're like banning me from monetizing until I get to a certain watch time again for new videos. Because my videos like still get a lot of views, like my old ones, but they want the new videos to have watch time. So I'm working on it. I need 3,000 public watch hours in the past year, and I only got 377 so far. So anyway, I'll get to it eventually. But I would like to monetize this YouTube thing again, because the coding videos get a lot of views, and I want to do them anyway, so might as well. I want to go back to them. What is the freaking follow range? Mob, Pathfinder mob, entity type init, follow range. Do I just need to add a follow range attribute to armor stand? Can I just do that? Get attributes. What does that normally do? It normally goes to the get attributes and get instance. Get attributes is a map of attributes. That is pretty self-explanatory. Coding videos again? Yeah, coding videos. It's gonna be like the coding tutorials. I was thinking about what I should do, cause honestly, I'm gonna keep the videos I'm making targeted more towards beginners, because I figured people that are more experienced in like programming anyway aren't really the type of people that are gonna be going out and watching full tutorial videos. At least in my experience, like that's not something I do anymore. I used to though when I first started. So I think I'm just gonna keep all my videos kind of just like more beginner focused, beginner to like early, yeah, beginner I guess is the word. And then kind of build up on it. Basically, my plan is just to make basically 2, you can call them quote unquote courses on YouTube, like free courses, because it's just going to be like a playlist of videos, right? So I'm going to do one for Minecraft plugins, and I'm going to do one for Discord bots, and then I'll just have a couple miscellaneous videos in between. One video idea I have right now is like taking my project files from my tutorial videos from 5 years ago and refactoring them, kind of showing all the stuff that's wrong with it and how I'd fix it, and like let people learn from my mistakes back then, sort of thing. Because I didn't really know what I was doing, to be honest, back then. Like, I was good at explaining in those videos, but I wasn't good at the actual coding part, like making good code. And yeah, for sure, I want to help, like, I want to do the MC dev thing, because I've been doing this for a long time, so I feel like I'd probably have a lot of things to share. And I might find a way to monetize it better too, in the, like, at some point, but that's not really my primary goal right now. I just want to get it started, get the series going. And at least my main goal is to have all the content free, like free and available for everybody. And easily approachable, you know? So that's the goal. I do gotta test this. I need a wool. Okay, my dog disappeared. Where's my dog? First off, wait, bye. I need to go back to my little testing area. That's not the testing area. That's the testing area. Oh, this broke again. That's supposed to say Sheep Safari Net. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. My code broke. I have to go back to that. That's supposed to say Sheep Safari Net. My naming conventions are overriding. Anyway. I think you can shear armor off of wolves. I think that's how that works. Yeah. Okay, I gotta implement that for the pets as well. I don't know if that works actually though. I think that might be implemented in the base class. I think I actually did that, so I don't have to rewrite it a lot of times. Yeah, if it's equipable and the interaction... Yeah, perfect. I did implement this, so I just have to figure out what to do there. My pet equipable. No, wait. Yeah. Oh, implements. Forgot this is Java and not Kotlin. Okay, get equipment. And then my pet equipment, and then my wolf implementation. Perfect. So now I can store the equipment items. My dog disappeared. Yup, get that quote printed out. My dog went poof. No, I was okay. This is like super tangent. I was playing like Minecraft 1.2. And I got dogs, and then like an hour later I'd come back to my house and then they would just be gone. They just kept disappearing. So I actually thought that happened again. But in new Minecraft, I'm like, is there like a bug or something here? My Olay. What do I do here? There's only one item that can be stored on a dog, and that is yeah, that's just the armor, I guess, right? So I don't need to have an array, technically. Equipment slot ID. Oh, no. But I still have to have an array, I guess. Because that's how it's stored. Okay. Oh, brother. Why is this a map? It could just be an array. Okay, okay. We got this. No problems at all. All I gotta do is add an equipment array. And actually, I don't necessarily need to do that. I'll just say I'm gonna make a variable for armor and make it nullable. And by default it'll be initialized to null. And then if you want to add equipment, if the slot that the equipment's being added to is the body slot, then I think chestplate is body. Then armor equals item. It's final. If you want to drop equipment, I gotta do that. If you want to get equipment, if slot equals equipment slot dot chest plate, then return armor, otherwise return null. Very cool. And then I need to make a item stack array, which will just be null. So it'll be, oh no, I have to do, I have to do null, null. Leggings is misspelled, oh no. Leggings. Leggings. 1, 2, 3, 4 nulls. I have to do armor and another null. I think that'll accept it. And then for dropping the armor, I just do exactly what this is doing here. I'm gonna have to refactor all this later. I don't like how MyPet does all of its inventory management stuff, because it's just like a lot of code that could be basically automatically handled. But for now, for the sake of time, I'm just gonna do it this way because I'm not super interested in rewriting the whole thing. Dude, my new profile picture. New profile picture just dropped. That is so good. Thanks, iGel. I appreciate it. Holy frick. Okay, so if there's no armor, then just ignore it. Or if the pet's not out, then ignore it. Otherwise, drop the item. Get location.if present location. I love Java optionals. And then this.armor equals null. Perfect. Look at that. Toof. What's up, Toof? What's good? I'm coding. I mean, I guess that's pretty obvious. You can see it. I don't have to describe it, but I'm coding Minecraft wolf armor. Yeah. Okay. Get equipment, set equipment, drop equipment. I don't think this is supposed to be here. That's the API. How does Allay do it? Okay, update visuals. Doesn't do anything. Okay. Can use item. Okay, that's fine. We're chilling, everything's good. So all I gotta do now is I gotta make it so that this thing accepts a null slot. Okay. Get item by slot is not null, but I want to make it... No, wait, no. That's not what it is. Get display slot for item. There you go. Perfect. So now if you try to right click it and it doesn't have a slot for the armor, then it won't put the armor on. That is big smart. What mic do I use? The Elgato Wave DX. I think that's, yeah, this one. This one. I gotta get a shock mount for it because you can really hear when I like bang on my desk or like do anything on my desk. Okay, so now I don't have to do all that garbage. I just gotta implement this, and if item is not wolf armor, then like just return null. Actually, let's do this the other way. Return null. If the item is wolf armor, return equipment slot dot body. Perfect. Hit your desk really hard. Okay, okay, okay. Ouch. My desk is made of wood. Big wood desk. Staying organized here. Writing an essay inside of my code. Bro is an Unga Bunga caveman. You're so right. I have embodied it. It is me. What's up? Die item. Your desk is pure metal. You got the desk made of metal pipes. You hit your desk and it makes the metal pipe sound. A pure metal desk though, that's crazy. Got like steel. I used to have a glass desk. I couldn't use my mouse on it that well because, you know, the mouse doesn't track that good on glass, and I didn't have a mouse pad. That was a struggle. Yes, so I need to implement dyeing the armor. No, not the armor, the collar. Although let's maybe do one thing at a time. Let's test to see if my armor stuff worked. And then we'll go from there. And I think I implemented shearing here. Apply item. Handle interaction. If it's equipable and it shears and it has equipment, then drop all equipment. Okay, perfect. It should work. This should, in theory, do the thing I'm trying to make it do. Which doesn't usually happen, so we'll see. Just have to copy it over and test it. Do a little bit of uploading. Upload it to the cloud. Very cool. Okay. Yeah, so the other thing I have to implement then, I don't have to worry about shearing the armor because that's already handled for me. And then I should really make this dyeing logic the same for cats and dogs. But I'm just gonna write it separately for now. And I think I can maybe stack.is tag item tags dot dyeable. No, never mind. I thought it being cool, but it's not gonna work. gonna be super elementary to do for me here. Essentially, stack.shrink1. That's gonna remove one item from the stack, and then I need it to also ignore if the color. Okay, I need to get the current color. Frick. Get my pet, get color dot ordinal. I need to make a converter for this. I'm just gonna do that real quick. What's it called? Variant converter? Is there another converter for like other stuff? I'm just gonna call it value converter. Doesn't really matter too much. Does not matter. I'm gonna make an insane method here. Public static dye color convert. No. Shoot, I'm coding like in Kotlin syntax, but this isn't Kotlin. Okay. How do they convert it in this? They take the ordinal and then they use the same ordinal. Cool. All right. Let's see here. Color watcher. Actually, need to do this the other way. To bucket. Yeah, I need to do this the other way around. And actually, now I'm a little confused because entity my wolf. Nope, my wolf. Where's the color? Color. I don't think this is keyed. No, it's not. Oops. And this doesn't have an ordinal. Oh, frick. This is gonna suck. It's really gonna suck because it's easier to convert one way than the other way, but I want to convert it a different way. Okay. Dude, what's up, Proto? What's good? What's up? Welcome to the stream. I'm struggling to think right now. Color. You know what I'll do? This is cheats. This is hacks, but I will do it this way. If the color is not equal to die.color. Was it die.color? Update visuals. Where is it? Color ordinal. Perfect. I fixed it. Yeah, they pulled a funny one where they released the actual update with a bug. So there's nothing really new about it. They just released another update, that's all. To fix that one bug. And now we have 126. I think 1.21 is gonna come out probably June. That's my best guess. Like, usually it's around that time. If they're gonna release one, it's around that time. And as far as I know, they're pretty much done with adding stuff. I guess the snapshots kind of slowed down in terms of like the content they were adding. So I think it's fair to say it's done. Shoot, what am I doing? No. Okay. So die color dot values, and then get item die color die dot die color dot ordinal. This is gonna have to be rewritten at some point because I don't really like all this internal code here. Actually, yeah, I can still do that. I can put it in here. Then I can take all of this and then put it here. And then color, die color. Perfect. Look at that, that's clean. And then I can just do value converter dot to bucket die dot get die color. And then I don't have to have all this crappy internal stuff. And it'll help with updates in case they ever change it. So perfect. I think the mace is still like incredibly overpowered. Like if you like the falling damage sort of aspect, but it's cool. Honestly, it doesn't seem like it's that bad right now. But I haven't played it with it myself. I've only kind of just seen gameplay videos of it. So yeah, I don't know. From 9 blocks, okay. That's a little bit scuffed. Just a little bit. Huh. Just a little scuffed. Big brain. Yeah, my brain's like between my MacBook monitor and my main monitor. Big coding energy. I gotta practice my explaining for when I'm actually recording YouTube videos, you know? Something your old Brian can't do. Man, the old Brian, I'm telling you, bro. Okay, so we implemented die. Adding the armor and shearing should be automatically handled by my universal code, which I implemented in the main class. So I can actually, this is all the original code. I don't need any of this garbage. In theory. Should literally just be that simple now. I mean, I hope so. It's worth a test. That being said, it probably isn't going to work first try, because it never does. But if it does, that would be very cool. And I got to expand this value converter thing, because a lot of this like is going to save a lot of headache in the future if I make methods for like converting stuff. Because basically like there's two classes, two types for the same exact thing. Like there's the the API version die color, and then there's the Minecraft internal die color, and they're literally the exact same data, but they're technically two different things, so I have to convert between this one to this one. Which is kind of it's kind of silly, but that's how it is, I guess. You can see the data here is literally the exact same content for the most part. Okay, let's give it a shot. Dude, the server's popping today. Everyone's online. Good thing I didn't take the server down to update it. I was considering just taking the server down for like the day, giving myself time, but I still got quite a bit to finish, so it's probably good that I didn't do that. You can gamble, and gamble at the same time. Boy, Toof. You be big gambling. Alright, what are the chances it works? Put your guesses in the chat now. 1 if it works, and 1 if it works. Yep. It's gonna work. Just trust me on this one. Oh, wait, it worked? Okay, it did work, I just didn't update the visuals, right? Okay, that didn't work. That's fine. Did my die code work though? No. Oh boy, that's a rough one. Whoops. Okay, wait. The die didn't work because the sitting thing is happening. Okay, that's fine. Maybe I should change it so you can only sit if you have an empty hand, because that's how horses work. And that would fix this issue, because if I have an empty hand, then it would process the die first. See, but that works. So, I just have to reorder the logic. Do you have 2 hours to give paste? Yeah, you have more than 2 hours for sure. There's no chance. I mean, I'm actually probably gonna do the update later tonight when there's less people online. I feel like that's probably like the smarter thing to do. I don't think very smart most of the time, but I did think this one through a little bit. I also want to probably go for a little bike ride. I gotta be active after staying up till 4 a.m. last night. gotta do something good for myself. Oh man. Okay, so the issue with the armor, I believe, is simply that the visuals of the actual pet aren't updating. Because the way that works is... Well, let's think about this. If it's equipable, and you apply the item, and the sound is here. Ah! Okay. So, the issue then... Oh, I can change this. This doesn't... That's old Minecraft. So it is setting the item in slot. The slot is working. And what this does is it sets the thing in the thing, and then it works, and then it sets the item, but it doesn't update the visuals of the pet. That's what it's not doing. Man, I gotta make a converter for this as well. Slot.get filter flag. Oh boy. Yeah, set equipment pet slot, which will be in wolf, and it'll run this set equipment if slot equals chest plate. And I believe chest plate's the body one. I have to check against the Minecraft code. Gotta make sure I'm using the right slot. Body, oh. Wait. No. Oh, that's why it's not working. Because body is not chest, it is in fact... Wait, which one is body? What? So we got main hand, offhand, boots, leggings, chest plate, helmet. Oh! Okay. So apparently it's not even any of these. It's none of them. It's actually a new type. Okay. What happens if I just add one here? What's the slot? Slot 6? I think. Right? Because 5 and then 6? Wait. When did they introduce body? I don't remember this being a thing. Okay. So now, in that case, I can just change this to body, because then that'll be the correct slot. And then, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have to add another null. So then armor actually has to get moved all the way to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What did I do? Wait. Yeah. So that should be right. So now this is in the body slot. And then if body, then yes, and then cool. Very cool. And now I just have to make sure that my code is actually able to access said slot. And I'm actually going to make a value converter. So it'll actually output a equipment slot for the pets plugin. I'm honestly just going to call it to bucket for now. Shoot, I'm coding Kotlin in Java. Can't be doing that. Perfect. So this will be all in one place. Equipment slot. What's slot here? And I feel like I should probably just make this a switch case. But since it's going to be in one place, if it ever breaks, it'll be easier for me to fix it. So I'll do that. And then here's going to be value converter dot to bucket slot. Look at how much cleaner that is. It's all in one place. It's all organized. It's all epic. And then set equipment. Craft item stack as craft mirror item. Okay, cool. In theory now this should work, because what's happening, right, is it's putting it in the wrong slot and it's not rendering. So my only other concern is why shearing did not actually remove the item. Oh, it didn't remove the item because it never actually applied it, because this had the wrong slot. But it was putting in the body slot. Okay, we should be good. We should be good. We're good. We're good. I think this will work. I'm about like a 50% confidence on this one, and that's pretty high for me usually. So, yeah, we'll be fine. All right, let's drag it in. Moment of truth. Oh, I didn't fix the die bug still, so I should probably look at that too. The die order of operations. Because handle interaction by owner basically handles all the common pet stuff. And it handles equipment and stuff. And like riding the pet too. But doesn't. Yeah, I gotta do the die before I run everything else. The die logic. So let's do that. Yeah, and this will be our order of operations. I'll just add it as a comment here, just so I know in the future. Just so I know in the future how this works. If I'm ever checking this code up again. Alright, we're getting some nulls in here. We're getting some nulls. And I believe the issue here is that it doesn't like that I put null. Let's check here. Take children, create entity, init, craft entity type, Minecraft entity, and then it's null. Oh, actually that might be unrelated to my code. That might just be because I logged in too early. Yeah. Look at that! Oh my god, I am a genius, bro. Woo! Let's go. I'm happy. So it should do that. Take it out of my inventory if I'm not in creative, and then if I shear it, damages the shears and then drops the armor. And then if I store the pet, oh, and then switch the pet back in. Where's my wolf? Wait. Oh. Well, that's a good thing I tested that. I need to serialize the armor so it actually saves it. Because right now if you put the pet away, it doesn't save the armor with it. And the way the saving works in this is I gotta rewrite the saving stuff. I don't really like how prone to breaking it is, but basically it serializes everything. It encodes everything into NBT data with strings, which this could be handled much better, such as how the new Minecraft item components are handled in this version. But I can't really complain too much. It works for now. It's just you have to implement everything manually here. So I'm essentially gonna copy this here and then just modify it for my use case, which is just to get the item, just the one armor item. So this is write extended info. Write extended info happens when the pet is saved. So we want to check if the body slot is not null. No, let's not do that. That's a weird way of doing it. If armor is not null, right? Because it can never be air, because just the way I implemented this. So we can just check null, very simple. And then item stack to compound. Platform helper. So we'll just add another item into the data. We'll call it armor. And then we'll just put the item into armor. And of course we want to grab it from the body slot. Perfect. So now this will save the armor. So every time we save the pet, it's going to write the armor. And then of course when we load the pet, we want to read the armor back in. So we'll just do info.contains key armor. We want to check if it contains it because it might not always have armor. Armor is nullable, so it means it could potentially not exist. So we want to check for that. And then we just kind of do the same thing but in reverse. So essentially we do this.armor, and then if we want to, honestly, we can go about this a different way. We can do set equipment instead. Equipment slot will be the body slot, and then of course we want to read the item. So we want to do, instead of item stack to compound, we want to do compound to item stack. And the item will be inside of it. It's called armor. Okay. Cool. We have now got armor properly working. One would hope. And I believe this will automatically handle loading and unloading for me now, so... And now the dye item should also work. So if the owner interacts with a dye item before trying to sit on the pet, it updates the collar color. The collar color. And I actually have to check in Minecraft, does it... Here, let's see, let's do some blue dye. If I sneak, it still changes. Okay, perfect. So I'll replicate that same behavior. And we should be on our way to having a finally fully working wolf pet matching vanilla mechanics using the completely custom implementation that this pets plugin requires. Very cool. I am hyped. I am hyped to see this finally work. It really would be a lot faster to test it too if I did set this up to be like a dev server where I can hot swap code. Which I might just do in a second here, honestly. It'll save me some time. Big brain? Dude, thank you. That's the best compliment I've gotten all day. All week. Frick, I gotta... Sometimes this error happens and I just have to keep doing the thing where I like relog and switch the pet in and out. Okay, perfect. Alright, let's give this an extreme test. I'm gonna do the extreme thing of dyeing the armor just to make sure it also saves the color. There's no reason it shouldn't. But if it doesn't... Oh. But anyway, look, the dyeing works. Okay, I fixed one thing, I didn't quite fix the other. Damn, okay. A little bit confused why the armor does not serialize. I'll have to check that in just a sec here. But dyeing the wolf does work. And if you already have it dyed to the same color, it just starts writing the wolf, which is cool. As we would like to do. And if I store the wolf, it should keep the collar color. Oh! I wasn't checking the console. I was like tunnel visioned on my game. But it tells us what the issue here is, actually. Cannot encode empty item stack. That's the issue. Which is weird. Wait, let me store it. Okay. So we can't encode an empty item stack. Why is that? I think... I did check if it's not null. I guess it might be able to be air, which is not good. So I can actually change that here. Set equipment, armor. I want to check if the item is air. If it's air, just set it to null. Otherwise, yeah. So we'll have it nullable then. Okay, this is the part that's a little bit confusing, because when you shear the pet and it removes the armor, it actually converts the item to air when you do that. So craft item stack as craft mirror. If it's null, original null. Craft item stack null. If it's null, then the material is air. So that's why it's doing that. That was the worst explanation ever, but that doesn't really matter. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to do Oh my god, I haven't done one of these in forever. A ternary statement. If item dot is empty, if it's empty, then you want to do null. Otherwise, you want to do item. So what this will do is, if it's error, it just sets it to null, which will make our saving check work properly, because it only checks for null, and I just want to handle that case just that way. Just my implementation detail, nothing more than that, really. Okay, now I gotta figure out why my armor's not working. It should theoretically save it just fine. It's possible that I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm gonna not be super fancy about it. I'm gonna do it the way I know it's gonna work. The one thing I'm a little curious about here is I think the reason it's not working is because, in fact, I think the wolf actually did have wolf armor on it. We just didn't see it because this update visuals thing never runs. So maybe I should update visuals here. Yeah. Update visuals, basically, it's just a weird quirk of how this plugin works. I'm gonna just do a little hot fix here, just to check that this is actually why it's doing this. But essentially, it's gonna set the item stack, but it's not gonna be visible because it's gonna be only inside of this class and not on the actual entity, which is super dumb, and I don't like that. But anyway, I believe this time, for real, it should work. And I'm actually gonna test my theory while that's compiling. I think theoretically, if I put the wolf armor on here, and then I store the pet, and then I bring the pet back. Okay. No, my theory didn't work. We're gonna have to just test this with the new thing. We'll see. We'll see what goes on. I do want to eventually rework how this works, this plugin serialization stuff works. I already said that, but I just really don't like how there's so much repetition. It makes it kind of hard to keep track of every case and how the operations of everything works in your head. Okay, let's give myself some wolf armor. Let's dye my good old wolf armor. I'm gonna go in creative mode so it's a little easier for me here. Bonk. Alright, for sanity checking we can shear it, perfect. Put it back on. Pet store, pet switch, and then if I shear it, it doesn't drop it. So something's wrong with the saving there. Still wrong. Still not working. Not entirely sure why though. That part confuses me a little bit. Maybe if I stare at the code for a little bit, I'll find out what's going on here. I'll replace this here while I'm at it. Oh. This is a little bit confusing right now. Unless this for some reason doesn't work, which it should because it works for the other pets. It's possible. I don't know. Let me check. I think the other pets I have that can take stuff are like... Let's see. What can I give like a sword to? I guess I can give a fox an item. Here. See, this saves fine. If I bring the fox back... Oh, not that fox. Oh! Oh! Okay, maybe it's not just a wolf thing. Maybe it's just a universal bug now in this... where the items disappear. Maybe I found a bug. Because if I have Del Monte employee, look at him. He's got all his stuff. If I store him, and then I bring him back, he's a little big. He needs a lot of space. If I bring him back, his stuff's not there. Yo, I just found the bug, and it's not even related to the code that I just wrote. That is crazy. Okay. Well, obviously, I've just been sitting here debugging the complete wrong thing. The issue is actually, in fact, in this method here. Compound... No. Yeah, compound item stack. Item stack NBT converter dot compound item stack is broken. Which I think I actually broke this, because I did have to touch this class quite a lot to actually get it to do what I was trying to do. Basically try to update it to the new version. So, in that case, let's check here. Save item stack, parse optional. Parse .orthrow. Okay, compound to vanilla compound's fine. This is all fine. All very fine and dandy. But something in between these two is wrong. And it might be in this parse method. And I don't really know how this works. I kind of copy pasted this from the vanilla source code because I wanted to just get it working real quick, and obviously it's not working. So let's see how vanilla uses it, and then we'll see if we can see why ours is not working. Let's see, container helper, compound tag. So compound tag, this is the item information. And then, okay, I think what I need to do is I need to print this out when it's actually serializing it so that I can get some sort of output. So I'll print it out here. Get as string. And then here, I'll have to figure out why this is not working. Compound, vanilla compound, if it's a compound, Get the data, get the name, put it in there. Yep, yep, yep. For all I know, this could also be the part that's not working here right now. I don't believe so. Because it's, I mean, there's only so much that wouldn't work here. I think this part's probably fine. I do probably want to get rid of this entirely at some point, because this seems a little bit overcomplicated. Like very overcomplicated. What is this here? Tag list. That's probably fine. That's not that. I don't want to build that. Well, I guess I'll start by seeing what this prints out. And then maybe I'll also print out what the loading compound is. And then maybe we'll see. I'll compare what the output of this one is to what the output of this one is. And then if they have some sort of discrepancy, then I'll know that there's something weird in the actual saving. If they don't have a discrepancy, then I'll know there's something wrong with the actual parsing. And the parsing will actually throw a message now, so I can tell kind of what's going on there. So I should have a little bit more output now, at least, in terms of what's going on. And then I'm sure we can probably figure it out shortly after after that, because I guess there's not too much else that could realistically be broken here. I did change this line for sure, so it could just be how this works. How this is implemented here is different than the previous version. Okay, let's give it a shot. No key ID in map like. So yeah, that's not good. That's probably related to the item issue. And honestly, if I can't figure this out within the next like 10 minutes, I might just leave it for now. And come back to it in a little bit. Because I should get this working for sure. Because if people load up their pets after I update, they're going to lose their pet's armor. Which I don't want that to happen. That's like actually pretty not ideal. Okay. No value present. There you go. Okay, so that's maybe part of our issue here. Let's do zombies. I can't load any pets now, can I? No, I can. Okay. Let's give this guy some sweet berries. If we pet store it, it saves nothing. So I did give it equipment. Equipment was the sweet berries. It saved nothing. If I switch back to him, yep, nothing. So it looks like the issue might be actually in the saving now. Just based on what I see here. Might be in the save logic. So we'll close out Wolf because that's not the issue. Gotta reorganize my tabs here. So this right here printed nothing. Printed out 0. And then this printed out slot 0. Wait, why would I do that though? Wait a minute here. I gotta think about this. It does load it fine though. Yeah, so it loads fine actually. This part actually works because it's worked the entire time when I loaded the pets. So maybe I shouldn't worry about this. Yeah, I shouldn't worry about this. It's definitely just this one here. Now I'm trying to figure out why... What does save do that is so different to what it used to do? Tag prefix. Prefix. Oh, shit. Okay, wait. Wait a minute. Maybe I didn't do this right then. It looks like I'm using this as the output for the tag. Because that's how it used to work, but now it actually outputs the tag as the result of save. So yeah, that makes more sense. Okay. So then I just do this. That's probably it. That's probably... Yep, that'll probably do it. Dude, Jared, thank you. You're the cutest. You're the cutest, bro. I'm in hell. Oh my god, I'm so tired chasing this one little issue. I think it's gonna work now. I think I found the culprit, and it was my lack of paying attention the first time I updated this plugin. And now I spent 30 minutes debugging it, and it's worth the time investment. Yeah, I guess I should have just been more careful, honestly, though. A little bit more careful when I first did this. I'm like talking like I already fixed it, but I haven't tested it yet, so I don't know if it works. But I'm pretty confident. About 50% confidence. Okay, that's no value present. That's fine. I'm gonna worry about that one later. I think that's a little bit of a separate issue. Let's give him a die. Alright, put you away. Bring you back. There's not enough space because he's big. Does he still have die in his hand? He does! Okay. Okay. Big development. Huge. It works. So that's simple enough. That was just me being a little stupid the first time I did that. So now I gotta figure out what the hell the other issue is, and I think... Oh, this isn't actually an issue. I just have to do this. Revert it back to how I had it before, and it would work. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So, essentially... it's gonna work now. I'm just gonna put the new version on. The wolf armor should save, the wolf variants should save, the wolf collar should be changeable and save. I think the pets plugin is ready. The only thing that's not ready is armor stands, but that's a more complicated issue, to be honest, because they're not actually mobs. So I have to figure out what the hell I'm going to do about that. Otherwise, Brick's going to be very disappointed. Perfect. Okay, I think I can close out of that. Oh, I do have to also verify the health. I believe, is there anywhere else? No, yeah. So it should have a default max health of 20. And I believe it will. But I have to double check on that. Come on. Get me in. Log me in. Okay. So, the grand finale of the test. Got the wolf. If I change the collar color, I give him a little wolf armor. Actually, I'm gonna give him a different color because it kind of blends into the armor. I'm gonna make him IKEA colored. The IKEA wolf. I'll bring him back out. Is it this guy? No, it's not that guy. This guy. There it is. Look at that. He's got all of his attributes still. He still works. I can still shear the armor off. Put the armor back on. Whoo! I fixed it. It works. Let's go. Okay. Oh yeah, I do want to check the health on this guy too. Okay, you guys might want to look away from the screen for a second. It's gonna be a little painful, but oh, I also did realize, I guess, just now that technically the wolf armor isn't gonna do anything right now, because I haven't implemented the functionality for it to stop damage until it's broken. But I'll figure that out in a sec here. Oh my god, stop walking. Yeah, still got 20 health. I'm gonna make another wolf real quick. And see if it also has 20 health. Yeah, it does, okay. Dude, I know. That's crazy. 3 hours and 21 minutes later. But it works. Sort of. I did just realize that there's no logic for the wolf armor, so it's basically completely ignored right now on like a pet. Cause the way it works, it uses the crackiness thing to absorb health damage. And yeah, I think that's a problem for later. I think that's probably a problem for later. Yeah, it's just cosmetic. It's fine. These guys respawn anyway. I'm sure it's fine. The only other issue is they have 20 health for some reason when they should have 40. And I don't know where that's actually defined. I felt like it is supposed to be an attribute. But let's see if any other place defines this. Silent. Get attribute, max health. Yeah, so this should be defined in the class my attribute defaults. And it should just take the default attribute from a wolf, which apparently is 8. Max health of 8. Wait, I'm a little confused right now. I wonder why that's actually like that. Is that actually true? Max health? Oh, here it is. Apply taming side effects. Okay, so I guess I should just overwrite it. Because it's 8 if it's not tamed. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, Mancy. Also, my Minecraft server, I'm going to put the website or / the IP in the chat if you're interested. Also, welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream, Alan. Welcome to the chat. You're right, Mancy. That is also true. Maybe I should just keep it cosmetic. It'll save me some time. But yeah, I will override, I guess, the health. So I'll just make it still have 40 health. And at least then we should be chilling. You chat and you don't see the message. That's weird. I doubt I like banned your main account. I feel like that's like the only reason that would happen. Or maybe YouTube thinks your other account is suspicious or something. I don't know if I have some sort of chat moderation thing on, to be honest. I don't think I do, but maybe that's why. Okay. Yeah, Mancy, I agree. I agree with you. We will make it easier for me, and we will do the thing. Do the thing where it just automatically just sets it to 40. Don't worry about the wolf armor, it's cosmetic, and yeah. Okay, well I actually think, honestly, I think it's done. This, Jesus Christ. this code should be rewritten at some point, but is this pets plugin public? Yes and no, I guess. It is. This is my pet. It's this plugin here. But it's like a semi-abandoned plugin. Like it's still getting updates, like life support patches, I guess. But I basically made a private fork of it to actually add like modern mobs to it, like the armadillo and stuff. Do I have an armadillo in here? Pet admin create armadillo. Yeah, so that's like, yeah, I'm just working on adding my own logic and pets and stuff to this. Let's see. Make armor how you feed the pets, like a perm buff or something. Yeah, I could make it maybe like, because I remember there was that environmental damage thing that they were doing with the wolves. I could make it more resistant, like the armor adds resistance to damage. I mean, that would probably make sense if you have armor. It would probably help against damage. Yeah. So maybe I could do that. Is there damage source? Can absorb source. The fourth software. OBS. OBS. It's like the streaming program. Or oh, that's Tidal. Yep. I just have that for streaming. Can absorb. Actually, I could just do this. I guess some damage types don't bypass wolf armor, so I'll just implement that and then call it a day maybe. I feel like that would probably be the best balance there. Although I probably need to overwrite hurt here. Let's see. Hurt. Is there actually hurt? No. Okay. Yeah, so I guess I'll just do that. I'll make the armor. Give it a little bit of extra buff. Actually hurt. Craft Bucket added this. Actually hurt. Oh jeez, okay. Oh, you know what I can do? I can do is invulnerable to damage source, and then I can copy this. So what this will do is when the damage is being attempted, if I have to check if it has armor, which I can do by copying get item by slot. Any to-do software website? It's hard. I used to use Trello. I like the boards thing. But honestly, I just use a notepad. Like I use Apple Notes or like I have notepad in Windows. I'm a little bit basic. Your server's well made? Dude, thank you. I appreciate it. I try my best. What can I say, I guess? What can I say? Get item by the slot is empty. Okay, so it's invulnerable to damage source if the slot's not empty. I should probably do super non-vulnerable too as well. Although I don't think that's ever gonna really be a thing that's used. If it's removed, yeah, let's do that. If it's invulnerable to and wait. Gotta make sure my logic's correct here so I don't accidentally screw it up. Okay, I think this is good. Yeah, so if it's invulnerable to by the super class, or it doesn't have armor and the armor type bypasses wolf armor. Yeah, okay, perfect. So now I think that's all done. I'm just gonna push it. I would test it, but you know, I'm so confident in that last thing I did that, you know, why would I even test? Okay, let's revert that. Value converter, my pet wolf, my pet registry. I can delete this equipment slot. I fixed that bug. This I don't need to do. What did I change here? What's the difference between these two lines? Looks about the same to me. Gonna remove the armor stand for now. Wolf, wolf. I think we're good. I think this works. The auctions plugin, yeah, it is custom. I don't know, I try to code my own stuff where I can, just because it lets me kind of have more control over when Minecraft updates. I can update my stuff faster than waiting for like someone else to update their stuff. So I have like a giant repository of just my own plugins that I kind of manage there. I just like the control of being able to do that. Perfect. Okay, I'd say pets is ready. That crosses off another thing. The holograms plugin. Actually the holograms is, I don't believe it's custom. I did modify it because the holograms plugin is also another one that got discontinued. So I updated it to the latest versions by myself, but it is a plugin that I got. It's holographic displays. I just had to it's also on life support basically, I guess. That's what I can say there, I guess. Okay. What else is wrong here? Let's see. What else do I need to fix before release? Head database premium vanish is not going to work, unfortunately. I also want to implement into holographic displays. It's kind of a dumb feature, but you know, you can have like your floating items and stuff. I want to have like floating mobs because they added a little mob scale thing that you can do in this version. So I want to have little floating sheep above barrels that sell like mobs in Safari Nets. So like if someone's selling sheep items, then it'll render the actual sheep. But this one I haven't implemented yet. That's going to be like something I do soon, but not yet. I'm probably going to end up creating my own holograms plugin from scratch at some point. Because I don't really need to use holographic displays. I just do because it's convenient. It's like already available. Oh, I gotta fix that. Got the little sign telling me what to fix. Kill the sheep hologram? No! Why would I do that? He's gonna die and then I won't have a sheep hologram. I can dye him. There you go. Perfect. He's blue now. I got the blue sheep. Okay. I'm a little confused right now. Why my Safari Net provider isn't working. I think I know, but I don't know if I know. It worked the last time I tested this, but now it doesn't. Oh, I think I know why, actually. Is it gonna update? No. Shoot. I wanted to say Sheep Safari Net, but it's defaulting to just the normal Safari Net name. So obviously that's not quite correct. Let's see, depend, soft depend. So I'm gonna have it soft depend on the shop barrel plugin so it loads before. Wait, no. Loads after. Yeah. I think this is just broken. Yeah, I did too, man. See, I thought I fixed it. It was working. And then I came back to it today and it suddenly just wasn't working. So I'm a little bit confused why it's not working. But I'm just gonna go ahead and print out some of the stuff in console and see if it tells me what's going on here. I don't know why it like stopped working. It just reverted. It just worked and then it didn't. I'm gonna do some insane tiling on my screen. Get that Minecraft in the corner. Okay, let's see if it's gonna do its thing. I think it has to do with loading order. I actually think I might fix it right now if I just put in the new items plugin that has the dependency on barrel. Let's check. I think if I restart it, it's just gonna work now. That's my best guess. I think it has to do with the registration order, because sometimes this Safari Net Provider loads in the wrong order, so it doesn't actually get registered for the name provider for the sign thing. Yeah, I think it's just a loading order thing, which is annoying. So I lied. Definitely wasn't a loading order thing. See if there's anything printed out in chat, in console. Maybe I just got lucky when I fixed it. It like loaded in the correct order the first time. Oh, you know what? I think it's because if I create the sign now, it might work. Yeah, okay. If I create the sign now, it works, but if it loads, oh, that's so weird. I'm like now confused. It's definitely like a loading order thing, which is not fun. I don't like to. I have to hook into it differently, basically. I think I'm gonna worry about that one later. I feel like that's kind of a minute thing, and it'll probably work fine. Unless I reload anything at runtime, which is fine. I'll just try not to do that for now. Yeah, I'm gonna worry about this one later. I think that's pretty minute. The other thing I gotta do, I'm not excited for this one, but I do have to convert all the configs to the new format. Because they were basically removed item NBT, everything's data components now. So I kind of started to do it on the crates. I didn't finish it. But I did create a new format for the item configs, and I have to recreate the crates in their entirety with the new format. Because before it would have been... Here, one sec. Yeah, this components stuff. It's a completely different format in the config, so... I guess I might as well start porting that. Shouldn't take too long, it's just annoying. Just a little bit annoying. Oh dear. Okay, I gotta not get confused which one's which, because they look similar enough to be confusing. I guess I'll go on the main server and cross-compare the items. Okay. Just gotta make sure everything's here. Make sure the 500 bucks, 1500, 10,000, 350 claim blocks, 5,000. I did all the simple stuff that doesn't require like any data, like just single items, but then I skipped over some of the stuff. Like I did the bundle for the dyes, I did not do the bundle for the redstone. So I should probably do the redstone bundle now too. I also didn't do the color, the name for the bundle. I should probably do that too. All these like the components are a little bit finicky. I think these I can just copy. I just have to replace the C in count with a lowercase one. Which is, I mean, fairly straightforward, I guess. I could find and replace, but I'll just do it this way, because I already started. Perfect. Elytra, totem, spawner, book. I guess I did most of them. I guess most of them did work just fine. Beacon, I didn't do the lump of coal because that was not working. Speaking of which, let me double check I have that on glinting. Glinting is false. Why? I need that to true. Okay, perfect. Did not do the luminous pickaxe, the lumious pickaxe. Whoops. My bad. This is the point where I have to cross-reference the data components thing on the Minecraft wiki. Yeah, so you can see it says tag. That's like the old thing, but now it's all components, all named components. Dude, Haley, see ya. Thanks for hopping in. Thanks for being here. You were the amazing, most coolest person I know. So don't forget that. Yeah. Minecraft repair cost. I do like the components though. Even though it's a little different. It's nice. It's more structured. I like that there's more structure to everything. I think I can just copy paste this. Whoa. That makes life easier. Okay, I guess this isn't so bad. We're making big progress. pig, chicken, cow, tropical fish, sheep, and then I stopped on all the custom items. And I believe this might be all, with the exception of the bundle name. Those I do have to do, but I'm gonna test this out and make sure this works. So it looks like I have pretty much the full inventory filled up on the actual main server. So if I go to the test server, I should see the exact same thing if the configs match. Oh my god. Wait. The one thing that doesn't apply... Oh, I don't have the resource pack. Okay, no, we're good. We're good. We're chilling. I thought it was broken, the thing, but I don't have the server resource pack. Okay, bundles. They got all the items in them. Just need the bundle of color name, which I can do right now. Getting so close. Oh, that's the wrong one. Dude, let's go. That was easy enough. Alright, well. Oh, everything's in there except I do wanna... I don't know. I kinda wanna hide that lore on the monster spawner where it says interact with spawn egg. Because that kinda looks janky in the menu. Everything else is probably fine. Got the attack damage speed. Yeah, that's fine. All the attributes showing there is fine. I also want to update the gnome slippers while I'm at it. Probably want to make those unbreakable. Okay. Yeah, so I feel like I should hide the trim, like the data on the trim lore there. And probably the same for the spawner. Yeah, I should do that. Okay. So, additional tooltip. So, I'll have to do a custom case for this in the actual menu. Create item. Pool item. That's what it is. Create preview menu consists of create icon, and then I'm gonna. This is gonna be a little goofy here, but I will custom case overrides. Whoopee cushion on stream. I would do it, but I'm probably gonna end the stream shortly here, just to take a little break. I don't know how long it's been going. It's been almost 3 hours. I will do it though. I will do it. You best believe. You best believe I will do it. Probably have to redo this because I kinda I should probably put this all in a build item thing. Shoot, that makes it a little difficult. Because there's two cases that could happen. Oh, wait. Aha. I don't really have a way to do that. Okay, I'm gonna have to think about this one a little bit more. Because I kind of want to keep this clean, but I do have to think of how I'm gonna do that. I'll probably have to add a config tag to add additional display tags. Yeah, it's probably the best way for me to do it. Actually, speaking of which, I don't know why I didn't think of this, because I'm pretty sure I already solved this issue. Yeah, I already solved this issue. I don't know why I'm like getting so... Okay, I already implemented this feature that I'm trying to implement right now. I just forgot about it. Oh my goodness. Show item information false. There you go, look at that. I already thought about this case and I'm 10 steps ahead of myself. Okay, but for icon, the only required data is... No. This is gonna break, but I can make it work. Okay, that's fine. This is probably like the worst way to do this. There you go. Perfect. So now I don't even have to add the name of the icon. I can just literally do that. Perfect. That should, in theory, work. If I compile everything, update the server, it should work. What did I update? Crates only, I think. Crates. Yeah, that's all I updated. So I shouldn't have to restart the server for this one, hopefully. That'll save me some time from having to restart the server. Okay, something errored. Something exploded. Fields is required. Item and name is required. Well, that's not true because I made them optional. Oh, I lied. I need to update the items plugin as well. Not just the crates plugin. Okay. Okay. Pets is going crazy. That's fine. That just happens. This still does not work. Why not? Let's check. Missing field exception. Is it the same error? Yeah, it is the same error. Weird. Do I have items updated? Today's the 11th at 3:30. Yep, that's correct. I wonder why that didn't compile correctly. I'm gonna try one more time. I don't really know what happened there. Because it should just be nullable. It should default. Default to nothing. Oh, wait. I put the jar in the wrong server. Guess what? I put it on the production server instead of the main, the test server. That's why I don't have 2 tabs open usually. Okay, that's fine. That doesn't really matter. It just, that's why it wasn't working, because I wasn't putting the thing in the right folder. Okay, but then this should just do exactly what I need it to do, so we should be chilling there. My entire processor is dying right now. Compiling all these plugins at once really uses all of my CPU power. It's pretty intense. It is multi-threaded though, which is good. I used for the longest time. I have a lot of plugins in the same repository, so when I build, it builds all of them. And I used to have it like like do one plugin at a time before. So I'd like run build and it would just take forever because it'd go one plugin at a time through the list instead of like doing them all in parallel, like on multi-core. So at least I'm glad I don't have to wait for that. Don't know how much time I wasted just waiting for slow compiles before. Okay, let's see here. Item. Should probably add an item, huh? There you go. Well, that show item information. Wait. Does that even apply? Show item information by default's true. Show item information. Yeah, okay. What does that do? Show additional tooltip, I think. Or hide additional tooltip. If show, then remove, otherwise set. So if I want to show false, yeah, okay, that should be good. Logic is sound. I do have to find out what additional tooltip does. And I think spawner item, is that a thing? Let me check in Anemone. And hover text. Okay, well, apparently you can't remove that text. Cool. I did not know about that. How about trim item? Armor trim item. There you go. Tooltip. Sorry guys, I'll be right back in just a second. What is the armor trim item called in Minecraft? I gotta figure this out real quick. This is a mystery for me. Trim. Sentry armor trim. Smithing template item. That's what it's called. Yeah, I guess, I mean, after all that effort I just put in trying to remove those descriptions, it looks like even with the new item components to hide additional data, still not possible to remove these, like, applies to armor, ingredients, ingots, and crystals, and the mob type thing. Which is unfortunate. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and remove that from my config since it's not really gonna do anything. But I guess for other items it would affect them. It's just for these two it's hard coded still. Such is life, I suppose. Okay, and then I guess the only other thing I really have to do here is implement these other two crates. I'm probably just gonna get the coal crate done here, and then I'll end the stream probably after that and take a break, because I've just realized I've been sitting here for like 3 hours just grinding away at this. But I am happy that I did get quite a few things done, especially with the pets. Thankfully I found the armor bug before I actually deployed it to production, because it would suck to have people lose all their cosmetic pet armor. So yeah, good thing that happened. Alright, for this one, just going to copy paste. And I don't actually think there's anything that needs to be changed here. Yeah, I actually think I can straight copy paste this one, reload the plugin, and just... Oh, okay, well, I'd like it to be that simple, but I guess it didn't actually save. Should have saved. Maybe it took a little bit longer to upload. Nope. Why did it only load that first one? Oh. Duh. There you go. Had the same ID, that's why. Okay. Well, look at that. That's yeah. That was easy. Immediate update. I need to update that lump of coal. It should be shiny, and it is not. Let's update that real quick. Make sure it does have that persistent shine. I want to give it a custom texture too, actually. So it actually looks like a lump of coal, and it's not just a coal item that has a little bit of shininess to it. But, that's for another day. I'm sure I'll get around to it eventually. Okay. And then I just have to do the weekly crate. The weekly one, I think this one might be the most painful one to do. Although I'm not sure, I can't remember what's in it. Okay, yeah, this one's gonna be a little bit painful just because of all the custom enchanted items. Other than that, not really that bad. Yeah, pretty good overall. Oh, the warden one. Oh, brother. Okay, that one should be fine. The only thing that with that one is it actually has NVT data that I have to convert, but other than that, it should be fine. Okay. Let's make a file for it. Weekly.json. And then I want to open the current one. Paste it over. And we have to start converting all the components. Okay, what's the first thing that's going to be broken here? Ah, yes, the warden one. Okay, this is going to be this is going to be actually incredibly easy to fix. Okay, we're chilling. We're big chilling. I think it's called stored entity data. That's where I put my custom entity data for that. I'll make this bigger for the stream. For the stream. So entity data is a compound, and if I look at how I implemented these Safari nets, that's not what I want. I want just the Safari net. So it's stored entity data, and then it's literally just the NBT of the mob. So I can literally just throw it like that. And I believe that should work. I believe so. Minecraft's item name, is that what it was? I can't remember. Name. Wait. Shoot, this is the old version of the vote. I need the new version. Done with all the components. Yeah, it's item name. Okay, cool. So it's just Safari Net in white. I don't know why it's like this. I can make this a lot simpler. Perfect. I think that should work. Looks a little simpler in the config too. Minecraft lore. I believe that is a tag list. Yep, it's a tag list. And did I do anything here for lore? Nope. Okay. We're winging it. I think it's a tag list of JSON text component. Okay, I don't actually know the format for this one. It might be strings or it might be not strings. Nonetheless, should be fine. I'm just gonna copy exactly this over. Actually, I'm curious. I wanna see what the data in a SafariNet looks like, because I did change it a little bit. What? What do you mean there's no... Okay. Dear lore, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna copy that lore exactly as it's seen in here. One thing I like about using components versus strings is that you can have a translatable component which automatically like translates to the player's game language, which doesn't really matter, I guess, because I doubt we have too many like international players, but if we did, everything would be readable for them very easily because it would be automatically translated, which I think is really cool. Also, if you use like a stupid language like the lolcat or whatever in Minecraft, it also works with that, which is, it's amazing. You get some really goofy results. Alright, for this one, I'm just gonna copy paste it and then just modify the attributes as necessary. Yeah. Minecraft efficiency 8. Big efficient. I'm so hyper focused right now. I'm locked in. Locked into getting this done. Cause I'm so close to getting this all tightened, all buttoned up, I guess. Dude, I think this is gonna work. I say that kind of sarcastically because I doubt it would, but... Did I set it to mending 3? You're my fact check here. Oh my god, wait, what? I did put it to mending 3. What's it supposed to be? Oh dear. I was so confident that I wouldn't screw that up too. What's it supposed to be? Wait, now I'm confused. Mending 1. I don't know how I managed to fat finger that. Thanks, Mancy. Dude. Okay, perfect. There are some errors. Oh dear lord. There's a lot of errors. And what's our issue here? What is the underlying error under all of these errors? Serialization, something, something, something. Abstract decoder. Data component serializer not present. I gotta add some logging for this to be a little easier for me to understand. I feel like this has to do with the lore, because that's the only component I haven't used before, and I don't necessarily know if it works. So I'll just delete it for now and see if it loads. And if it doesn't... Okay, it is the lore. So obviously I didn't implement lore correctly, which is fine. I can figure out how it works now though, now that I've identified that is the cause. Yeah, everything else looks to work pretty good. Nice. Alright, oh, my phone is going off. Okay, SafariNet, let's add the lore. I also need to make this, now that I remember, it needs to be glinting. I think that tag is called enchantment glint override equals true. Okay. Alright. I don't really know how lore is supposed to work. I'm gonna just guess that it works completely differently from how everything else works, like for display name, and it just uses the raw component, which I would love, because if display name did that, that would be epic. It, in fact, is not. What the balls? Oh, no, it's still a string. You can see it here. Oh, okay. No, wait, no. Oh, frick, I don't know. I don't know what the issue is. I'm a little lost now. 'Cause frick. Yeah, because look, it's a lore equals, it's a list of strings. Oh, you know what? This is, this is not even in this, the issue is not even with this, it's with the deserializer that I created. This is a very hacky piece of code that, honestly, I just, oof. Yeah, this one's rough. It's, yeah, it's rough. But the issue is it doesn't deserialize correctly, so it throws, but I want to get it to give me a proper error message. So let's, how about we do Something about partial. Result or partial, and then on error. Perfect. On error, logger, or here, do we have a logger here? Let's make a logger. Component serializer. That'll show it nicely. And then we'll just log the error here. Deserialize. Let's see, do we have a component name? I guess we do, right? The type, is that is type dot. Yeah. And then we'll give it the error. Perfect. So now we'll, at least when it errors out, it'll like tell me what's going on. Perfect. That should at least help me debug this goofy issue. Let's see, plugins, Kerosene. Kerosene's my core library for everything. Includes this deserializer. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. I got an actual... Oh, that's interesting. What partial does is it doesn't actually do a hard fail. I didn't know about that, but that looks like that's what it's doing. Because even though the lore is broken, it doesn't hard, like, crash the thing. It just outputs whatever it got to deserializing. Which is cool. That's interesting. So my SafariNet obviously is not properly deserialized. However, it's not completely crashing the crates plugin because I'm handling the error sort of here. So it says malformed JSON at line 1, unterminated string in path color. Okay, let's check that. Unterminated, yep, there's an unterminated string. Look at that. Look at that, and it's gonna work now. Dude, look at how helpful that was. I'm so glad I implemented that error logging. That is so helpful. Perfect. So we're big chilling on that. Just had an issue with my JSON syntax. As you do on a typical Saturday afternoon. Alright, yeah, I honestly think that's pretty much it. I do want to see if I use this result partial thing anywhere else so I can Okay, I don't. Okay, chill. Alright, cool. Well, I believe I will leave the stream off here. I don't think there's much left to be done, honestly. The one thing I do need to work on... I actually don't know if I need to work on it. Let's check if it works or not. How about the night market? That's the one thing I wanted to check. Okay, that just works. Oh. Yeah, that just works. Cool. This all is working. So the one thing I need to do then is just update the resource pack just to make sure it's all compatible. It should be. Also, that should not say died on the Christmas light hat. Let me check. Christmas light hat. Show died equals false. And it's still showing died. Okay. Well, obviously there's a little bit of some issues here. Oh, actually, I know this. I know why that's like that. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I can fix that. But yeah, no, honestly, like, as you can see, I guess, I've just demonstrated that there are some little minor bugs and stuff that I have to test still. Like, there's only so much I can test, on my own. Like, obviously, when I put this on the server, there's gonna be players that find bugs immediately. It's always just like, it's hard to find everything yourself. But no, yeah, I think for the most part, there's not much left to do. I just have to kind of do the update. So, obviously the update, it's going to leave out the heads plugin unless I can modify it just before I upload it. And also the vanish thing, but that's just a staff only. So the staff only thing, not too worried about it. So I think we're pretty much ready. Can't wait for the update. I can't wait for it either. I'm excited to get it on the server for you guys all to play. It's gonna be fun. The armadillos and new dogs and all the epic other stuff. Yeah. It's been a long time to get to this point though. I do have to fix this bug though. I don't know why that's doing that. On the thing showing died. Oh, actually I know exactly why that's happening. Okay, wait. I can fix that real quick while I'm still here. It's an order of operations thing, so I have to run this after everything else, which is not ideal, but it'll work. Have a nice week. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I have to have the show died run after everything else. She's just gonna reorder this. That's gonna be a little quirk in the system, but as long as I remember it, we should be good. Oh, the cat ears aren't even dyed. I don't know why. I don't know why I even put that there. Don't need to hide the dyed lore if it's not even dyed in the beginning. Everyone's server's gonna AFK. Yeah. I'm gonna go outside, I think, for a little bit, and then I'll come back, and then I'll drink a Red Bull, and then I will be grinding out the rest of the actual updating. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, ending the stream here. So thank you all for coming. Thank you, everybody. Got that 12 likes on the stream. I'm glad you guys all liked it. Even though it was just me rambling to myself the entire time, but yeah. Anyways. Yeah, and hopefully once I update too, I plan on making at least like a couple short videos on the server, so hopefully we get some new players too. Because it's always nice to have new people on too. Alright. Ending stream now.